Joining me now is Democratic Senator Shaheen of New Hampshire. Good to see you, Senator. Good morning.
Nice to be here.
The RNC was also full of women speakers: Condi Rice, Governor Martinez, of course, Ann Romney. A recent ABC poll showed that Mitt Romney actually gained some among women, and he certainly strongly shored up his Republican female base with a focus on economic issues. How do the Democrats fight back?
Well, I think women are very important in this election. I believe it's the women who are going to determine the outcome of this race, and I think if we look at where Mitt Romney and Paul Ryan stand on issues that are important to women, everything from equal pay for equal work to whether we're going to control our own health care decisions, and look at where President Obama stands on those issues, there is a very clear choice. And I believe that women don't want to go back in this country. I think we understand that our economic future and prosperity lies with President Obama.
If you watch the first 2 days of this convention, you see that Democrats have been focusing a lot on social issues. Let me play you just a couple of clips.
It's an America in which no one can charge us more than men for the exact same health insurance, in which no one can deny us affordable access to the cancer screenings that could save our lives.
The United States Conference of Catholic Bishops stated that the Ryan budget failed a basic moral test because it would harm families living in poverty.
There have been more than a few analysts who have suggested that the Democrats needed to move more economic issues, need to start talking less about some of the social issues that has dominated the early part of this campaign if they're going to win those suburban women voters for whom perhaps Planned Parenthood is not as important as whether or not their husband or they or their children can have and keep a job. Would you agree with that analysis?
Listen, those clips that you just played are all about economic issues. If women are charged more for health insurance, then that's an economic issue. If women have to pay for our preventive screenings for cancer, for mammograms, that's an economic issue. Contraceptive coverage is $600 to $700 a year. That's an economic issue for so many women. In New Hampshire, Planned Parenthood provides the only health care that thousands of women in New Hampshire get. That's an economic issue, and it's about whether women are going to have equal access, not just to health care, but whether we're going to be able to have equal access to pay and to the ability to make the same kind of decisions and have the same economic outcomes for those decisions.
Senator Shaheen, I know you were up late last night, so thank you so much for coming on with us this morning.
Thank you. Great to be with you.
Thanks so much. Today's tweet of the day